Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Treat your family and friends this Holi with delicious Besan ladoo. So let's get started. To a non-stick pan, add half cup ghee and allow it to melt. Make sure the ghee is just melted, not heated. Then immediately add 2 cups gram flour. Start stirring on low flame until the besan and ghee are well combined. Continue to stir and roast the besan on low flame. Flour will absorb all the ghee and become lumpy. Continue to stir and break down the lumps. Roast it on low flame until everything comes together. It took around 12 minutes for me to reach this stage. Now add 10 chopped almonds, 10 chopped cashews, and continue to stir and roast the besan on low flame for 10 more minutes until the besan smells aromatic or until the texture becomes super smooth. The texture is just perfect. Turn off the flame immediately and transfer it to a bigger plate and allow it to cool for at least 10 minutes. As the besan starts to cool, it releases ghee and becomes semi-solid. After 10 minutes, add half teaspoon cardamom powder, 1 cup powdered sugar. The besan is still hot, so use a spatula to incorporate the powdered sugar. Once the mixture becomes warm, use your fingers to mix everything together until well combined. Everything is well combined and perfect texture to shape the ladoos. Take small portions of mixture and start making the ladoos. And the super delicious besan ladoos are ready to serve. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.